If you've used face swap tools before, you've probably noticed that most of them only let you swap a single face while a few support multiple faces. But this tool takes things to a whole new level. It can swap up to 10 faces in the same image or video, making it perfect for group photos, family pictures, team videos, and much more. And that's not all. This tool comes packed with some of the most advanced face enhancement models available, along with powerful features like text masking, occlusion handling, adjustable similarity settings, and customizable face detection options. You get complete control over how faces are detected, matched, and swapped, making it easy to achieve natural, high-quality results in almost any scenario. The best part? It's completely portable, so there's no complicated installation required. In this video, I'll show you how to get it up and running, walk you through all of its features, and demonstrate how to use it to create high-quality face swaps with ease. So, if you're ready to create high-quality face swaps with complete control and some of the most advanced features available, let's get started. Click on portable link in my description to get this multi-face swap tool. You can check other tools no matter face swap, voice cloning any best. Over the years I preserved them in portable form. Once you get it, you will have a link to download from Gmail, around 7 GB file. Once you download it, extract with 7-zip extractor only. Then go inside extracted folder. Double-click Start Portable NVIDIA. That's it, no installation, nothing at all. You only need to have CUDA Toolkit installed. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch this multi-face swap tool. To use, choose if you want single face or specific face. First upload face picture, then target picture or video. Choose enhancer, occlusion, other options according to need, then click swap face swap. And that's it. You can now swap multiple faces in both photos and videos with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI tools and installation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.